Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to set auto reply on your Instagram. Now quick one guys, if you've opened up your Instagram, you come to your profile section over here. Now to set up an auto reply, you come over here and tap on these three lines. But point to note is that auto reply only works on the professional accounts. So once you tap on these three lines, you then scroll down. You can either choose to just come and search for this. So we shall come on the search bar over here, and then we shall search for professional. Once search for professional, you see this option which says switch to professional account. So quickly just tap on that, and then you'll be prompted to switch to the professional account. Once you switch to the professional account, then the auto replies will be enabled by Instagram. Thanks for watching guys. We shall meet.